Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kat and I have moved to a new home, so that is why my wall looks different, because I'm not in the same place. I've gotten somewhat settled and I'm here to do another video that is long overdue because I got this box probably a month ago. In fact, I think I just recently got my next month's box, but Adults and Crafts. So this is not this month's box, but this is last month's box. So I'm catching up. I haven't been able to film because I just have not had my desk. I've actually got a small one over here now as well as my big desk that I built, but that one just doesn't have enough room to do craft stuff, and I didn't want to do it on the carpet because my carpet is pretty nice. And I don't want to ruin it because I'm someone that would probably ruin the carpet. So I'm excited to see what it is. I haven't looked on the website to get any sneak peeks, so I have no clue what is in this box. But it's more fun that way, I think. I am gonna cut this open and we'll see what's in it. Let's open this up. Oh, dude. I'm so excited. This is gonna be awesome. I can have this next to like my front door so that I can see myself before I go out. The hanging mirror shelf kit. So this comes with wood pieces, screwdriver, mirror, paint, foam brush, nails, screws, E6000 glue. Awesome. I can always use more of that. Hooks. I need pliers. I have no idea where my pliers are. Okay, well let's look at it and then go from there. Okay, so first we have this little baggie. We've got some folk art paint. There's a foam brush. There's E6000, a little tiny tube. And then there are a few hooks like this. So this will probably be for keys and stuff. Some screws, some nails, and some pegs. Then we've got some pieces of wood. This piece looks like the shelf itself, and the mirror will probably sit in this little cut. So this screwdriver comes with a few different heads in it. Get the box out of the way. And here's the mirror. Ooh, sticky bubble wrap. Oh hey, I could show you the room. Although it's a little bit messy. Hello. This is a decent sized mirror though. Okay, I'm gonna read the instructions. So apparently the pegs are put in there for like rings and stuff. Oh, I get it. So this is gonna go behind the mirror to hold it to the wall. So it's gonna go like this, and then the mirror will sit in this slot. So it hides the holes. Nice. Okay, so first step is to paint. So I'm gonna do that. I am gonna use this like cardboard piece for the paint. And I'm glad that they give you a foam thing because this is usually the better thing to use. And I am back. Everything is painted and semi-dry. So the next step is to nail this board onto this board. And this board is gonna go behind the mirror, so it needs to go behind the mirror slot here. So it needs to go like this. So I need to make sure that the slot is the right way. So the curve needs to be smaller at the bottom and larger at the top. I'm just nailing this in first so that I can hit it easier once I'm putting this part in. I just want to make sure both nails will go in. That's why I have that piece at the T. Okay, this part's gonna be a little bit harder to do, but essentially I need to make sure these countersunk holes face out. I'm doing this part off camera. There we go. That is the basic shape of our shelf done. And so essentially this mirror, hi again, this mirror will go right in there, but it'll hang, so it'll sit in there better. Okay, so step 4, time to screw in the white hooks, which are these little guys here. So we've got 5 hooks. So it says to pre-mark them. I have a ruler here, and it looks like this piece is almost 14 inches, so I'm gonna go to half of that, which would be 7, and that's gonna be where I'm gonna put my first hook. Apparently the only pencil I have on hand is a blue colored pencil, but whatever. Oh, that means this back is a little bit off center, but that's okay because it has 2 holes, which will hopefully level that out. And then, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I have to do math really quick. Okay, well, that's much easier. I'm just gonna put one at 6 and one at 3, because then that'll put them all 3 inches apart. There we go, I didn't even have to do math. It says to lightly tap in the screws into the wood to create a pilot hole, so I'm gonna do that. I'm slightly off camera, sorry. I just need to put it on the edge of the desk to do this. So I tapped it in just a little bit, and it created a little bit of a hole. And then it says to just do it by hand. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna nail pilot holes into this on all the other spots and then screw those in. Kind of hard to get these going, but once you get them going, they're fine. This is kind of hurting my wrist. I'm just boring a hole into this board, but it's not twisting in. And I actually bent the hook. Yeesh. You guys, this is too difficult. I just used the screw and my drill. Hopefully make a better starting point. Yes, it worked! I should have done that way sooner. It would have saved me a lot of grief. Ta-da! I did it. It was more difficult than it should have been. So I've got these. They're dry, except for the ends are not colored, but I'll just color those later. Paint them, whatever. I know what I mean. So I'm just gonna glue these right on the edges. So it says you could have used pliers for that last step, but I'm moving and my pliers are at my old house. And just like that, we are pretty much done. I'm just gonna hold these while they dry a little bit. So I finished up the shelf and I mounted it and styled it with all of my jewelry, and I am loving it. I decided to put it in my bedroom so that it's right by the door. So when I go out for the day, I am ready in every way. Didn't mean to rhyme. So that was this month's Adults and Crafts kit, or sorry, last month's, because I'm way behind the game. I really enjoyed this one. I didn't love the coaster one. I've got tons of coasters, so it just wasn't something that I necessarily needed, but this one was amazing. It was actually really very easy to do this. I used a drill when putting the screws into the wall, and I didn't really show that part, but it's so simple, anyone could do it because it's planned out for you. There's no guessing, you know, you don't have to do a bunch of planning for it. You just sit down and do it and it's done. And I love that for my jewelry. I've actually been trying to think of ways to hang up jewelry. I used to have this like old picture frame with some lace behind it, and that had nails in it, but that was really old and it was looking like it. So this is gonna be a nice update to my jewelry storage. And I was able to put all of my earrings on top, so I'll hopefully wear earrings more. See, I don't have any earrings in, but I do enjoy wearing earrings. I just always forget that I have them. If you would like to try out Adults and Crafts, this video is not sponsored, but I will have the link to their website down below. If you want to try it, I highly suggest it. Once again, not sponsored. I just like trying things and I really enjoy this specific box. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to see every time I upload. And as always, remember to do something creative every day. Do it meow.